Hello, everyone. We are now going to move on to creating a module. Now, you need to have some assignments made before you can create a module, but I wanted to go forward and show you what we do from there. So let me just minimize this. So once you're here, you'll see that modules is just written here on the side. Go ahead and click it. I obviously have modules already made here, but you would just want to click add a module. You can name it whatever you want. So the prerequisite, that is where you can add, like if you do not want them to progress on until they finish the module before, that's where you add your prerequisites. So if we're like, okay, they cannot move on to test one until they finish the homophones module. There you go. So now they have to finish, they have to complete this before they can move on. It's nice, especially with online work, so that you don't have kids just flying through things, not actually reading. You can create pages where they have to read something but they cannot progress on until they read it, something like that. So we will add this module. And then if you see down here at the bottom, we now have our module. So it's just waiting for us to add some great stuff to it. So here you just push the plus sign. You find your assignment that you wanted them to do. You hit add item. If you hit, you know exactly what you want, whatever, put it here. And then here is where you would put it in. This is just the order it will be in the module. If you don't care what order they do it in, you don't have to worry about putting things in order. That's fine. You would just leave it how it is. If you want it so that they can't move on to the next assignment until they finish the assignment before, you're going to click these three dots right here. You're going to hit edit. And then this is where you're going to put, okay, requirement and your prerequisite. So the prerequisite is the homophones for the whole module. You can lock it until a certain date. So you're like, okay, this isn't going until next week. So I'm just going to lock it and it will open up every week. So if you had all of your weeks planned out in modules, you could have it open every week of school and be set to go. So you would add your requirements. So students must complete all of these requirements. Students must move in order. So you'd hit that if you want them to finish one or the other. And then this is where if it's a quiz or something, so let's say before my students can move on with the bell ringer, they need to score at least 10 or 18 points. So then now they can't move on until they've scored 18 points. Then you can add more requirements. So they must view, so you can have must move through in order. They must view, so let's say it's the next assignment and they must view. So they have to mark it as done. So read through it, mark as done. Then you just update your module. And then here you are, you're ready to go. Your module is ready. It's not published yet. If this button means if it's published or not. And then if they've started doing it. So that's basically modules. It's pretty simple. As you can see, like my modules up here, they have to complete all the items in the list. And yeah, so this one you have to complete the writing lesson before this one and then just move on. So yeah, that's that. So if you have any questions, let me know. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.